I actually have a new machine I haven't gotten out yet to film with, but I just haven't had the time to figure it out yet. Make sure I'm not hurting you, okay?
Yes, no. You're
okay.
good.
Oh, you're so sweet. He's so polite. You can tell his mom taught him well. Let's see if we can't see the top of it and get it out nice and clean. You hear me making these noises. I apologize for that, but there's nothing bad. Just trying to get it out without having to try not to rupture it, but we may have to. You're okay though, right?
Yeah.
Okay, anything sharp, you make sure you tell me.
Yeah.
I see.
So because sharpness or something.
Do you feel sharp?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay.
Right there, yeah.
Thank you. Sorry about that. I thought so because it's underneath. Here come the yells. Okay. This is more numbing underneath, just because it's very hard for me to numb on the surface when I don't know where the cyst quite is yet. So now I'm gonna put a little bit more underneath there. Sorry, a little pinchy maybe.
No worries.
Like that. Thank you. So did I hear you saying, Christy, that you got your kids after all this weekend?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Maybe you could switch with your ex-husband Father's Day.
Yeah.
I don't know
Oh,
when
yeah,
that
we
is
can-
though.
yeah.
It's like in June or something, I think, right?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay, make sure again, nothing sharp, okay?
Okay.
I think I might just have to let it squeeze, yeah. I think so. How long have you had this?
I think I've had it for at least about 3 years, 4
Okay.
years.
Was there somebody squeezing it before and then you stopped being able to squeeze it?
Yeah, it was my
Uh-huh.
wife who did it.
I'm just gonna push against you, okay?
Okay then.
Nothing should hurt or anything. You just grab that and put that in the trash right there, good. Let's see if I can squeeze it a little bit underneath. Nice little pinch again, sorry. Trying to deflate it as much as we can here.
Okay.
Now let's put a little more numbing right under there. Seriously, I feel like it's been a long time since we did like a basic cyst.
Mm-hmm.
Everything we've had recently has been more complicated, so it's nice to have an easy one like this. This is the numbing, a little more numbing just to make sure. You okay? You felt that?
No, I
Okay.
didn't feel nothing.
Trying to see if I hopefully get underneath it. Just make it a little wider. Make sure we got the edges here. Does your kids, Christy, do they do anything traditional? Do they kind of just make you breakfast or anything like that?
No.
They just kind of hang out with you and give you cuddles.
Yeah, I mean, if they're aware that it's
Yeah.
like a special day, then they'll make
They'll
it
make do
special.
something. Of course they do. Good answer. They might go, every day is Mother's Day. So if you watch our videos, you would know that what we're trying to do here is try to get out the whole sac that it's contained in.
Yes, no.
You okay, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Just because if you don't do that, that's when it can have a chance of coming back.
Oh.
So.
It looks like ricotta. It looks like ricotta.
Yeah. Ricotta.
Cheese.
Oh, we're hungry.
Ricotta.
Yeah, like in lasagna.
It does it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, listen to her. She just said,
I know, right?
That's messed up. You have gone to the dark cyst side. I mean, you said that's weird. It's the end of the day. That's why she's just ready to go, I think. Not fooling around anymore. Right, let me do one more little bit.
I do have cheese in my drawer.
Oh,
You
stop
do?
it.
For my lunch, I haven't.
Oh, you didn't have your lunch yet?
I love cheese.
No, I'm.
We talked about cheese this morning too.
Yeah.
All right, come on, guys. Let's not talk about cheese right now. But we talked about cheese this morning.
What? I missed
So I said
it.
for
Yeah,
potluck,
you
we're gonna
missed
do
cheese
cheese.
talk. She wasn't there for it.
Isn't that bad? I tell everybody to shut up and then I just bring it back up again.
We love shut cheddar.
You okay, huh?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm just using a little instrument called the curette
Yeah.
to try to get all the areas that I feel like, just to see if checking it all. I can feel underneath here that this is where a lot of it was on this side. And I just try to see if there's any like little sac wall here. If there is, I'm gonna try to take it off. I think it's just scar, right? If you look straight down, that's just like white, just fibrous tissue. I don't think that's cyst wall. Then I'm gonna take a couple of these and just push around a little bit just to make sure, again, make sure I'm not hurting you.
Okay.
See if anything comes out. And then I have like a little pattern the ways I check it. See, I think there's something right here. Can you see that right there? On this thing, that is a little bit of cyst, so let's pull that off from the inside. Thank you. Get that one off, that part off. There we go. Looks pretty good though. I'm just kind of checking all underneath, see if I see anything. Oh, that looks clean. Just looks like fibrous tissue. I think we're nice and clean. I hope so. Think so, I hope so. Okay. Now, that looks good, so I can just probably seal up the top, but I'll just try to loosen the bottom just a little so things will stick all together. You okay?
No, it's just my
What? Your neck?
saliva. No.
Oh, okay.
It's just drool.
You're drooling?
Drooling. No, not really
That's
drooling,
okay.
but
Yeah, you're drooling. It's okay to drool. I know you're not drooling. You're not drooling, you know why? Because we're talking about cheese.
That's what I was saying, it was a cheese talk.
It was a cheese.
My mouth was watering.
Okay, we're just putting the stitches in right now, and these stitches come out. I think the top ones will come out in like probably 14 days, and
couple weeks. Okay.
yeah, 2 weeks, and then I think your wife may be able to take them off.
Yeah. No.
And because it's very easy, and if she doesn't know for sure, I bet you she can watch one of my videos and she'll see. She probably already knows how to do it, but we'll make sure she knows. Like it's just like a very simple one. And in fact, if you have your phone, we can actually video it or something. If you can't get her to come in and show her herself.
Okay.
Let's get rid of that piece of gauze that's sitting right on top here. Piece there, thanks. My kid went to Astro Camp this weekend. It's like an Idlewild. They go for like 2 nights, so we'll see how he is today. It's probably gonna be all, I'm tired. I didn't get any sleep. We'll see.
Wait, he's there right now?
No, he's came back today at like 2.
Oh.
Their whole class goes. The fifth grade class, that's what they do. It's cool. They pretend to be astronauts, or they make we build
cute.
rockets and stuff like that. I must be a camp up there that they go to already, like a regular summer camp that they go and use it. Just the school, just their class. Thank you. Just go in the middle, sorry. Excuse me. How long have you lived out where you live? Like for a while? I won't say it, so we don't have to take it out. How long have you lived there, where you're living now?
Are you asking me
Yeah,
now?
mhm.
Oh, sorry.
There for a while?
For a while now.
Yeah, I lived there for like about a year, about 10 years ago or so.
Oh, okay.
It's nice there. Nice for horses, if you like horses.
Right.
It's gotten very busy though. I think it's
It's
gotten much
gotten,
more
yeah,
populated.
very
Yeah,
busy.
Like that
we-
mall now is huge.
Yeah. We started living. We used to live in, but in '93
Okay.
we moved out to.
Oh, I see. Did you want to see it? You want to see what the ricotta
Yeah.
extra says?
Oh, that's
See, part
that's
of
how
it.
big it is.
Well, yeah, it was just part of it. That's just in the bag. We squeezed most of it out. I would say half
wow.
of it.
Oh wow.
Half of it.
Okay.
Okay.
Sweet.
That's
Thank
it.
you
You
so
have a
much,
little line
Dr. Lee.
there. Yeah, of course.
Oh, no
All you
worries.
have to do is snip one knot,
Uh huh.
one end knot, and then pull the other side.